Hey, I just am here to give you a big thank you for everybody that's been showing up in my classrooms, showing up buying my jewelry. Have so much gratitude for you guys as I'm growing and growing my brand and myself. So, if you guys find yourself over on this channel a lot, make sure that you give me, a follow or a like or subscribe. But truly, I want to thank people that came into my classroom. We got to work through a lot of ideas. We not only worked in sterling silver. I got to work with people on creating their personal body of work. I got to work with people in bronze and brass if they didn't want to use silver. I got to work with people just on who they are and what their ideas are and really help them expand. That excites me so much. I mean, I really love my community, the people that come in, that travel all the way out here, pay the money and show up for me here. So I have so much gratitude, and thank you guys. The last people were here in March. I have people this year coming in May, September, and November, and I am really looking forward to you guys and to everyone else who helped support me and my direction and where I'm going. So thank you so much.